Designing south building architecture involves taking several factors into consideration, such as the purpose of the building, location, surrounding, soundscape, and intended use. Here are some general tips to keep in mind. The first one, orientation. The orientation of the building can play a significant role in reducing noise pollution. For example, avoid positioning windows facing a busy street or railway. Second, sound insulation. Use high-quality sound insulation materials to reduce noise transfer between rooms. This can include using double-pane windows, solid core doors, and insulation in walls. Third, room acoustics. The acoustic properties of a space can have a significant impact on this usability and comfort. Consider using acoustic core, ceiling tiles, and wall panel to absorb sound reflections and reduce echo. Fourth, materials. Select materials that absorb rather than reflect sound. For example, use carpets, curtains, and upholstered furniture to help absorb noise. Fifth, mechanical systems. HVAC systems can be noisy. Consider locating mechanical system away from quiet areas and use low noise equipment. Sixth, landscape design. Outdoor landscape can help buffer sound, use vegetation and trees to create a natural sound barrier. Seventh, use noise reducing design elements. Incorporate elements such as a sound absorbing surface, white noise machines, and sound making technologies to help reduce overall noise levels. By considering all of these factors, you can design a building that offers optimal acoustics, comfort, and functionality.